If I asked you what dish you could eat at least once a week that you would never get bored with, what would it be? The one that stands out for me is roasted chicken. I mean, who doesn't love a fresh from the oven chicken with its crispy skin and all that flavor in every bite? So what do you say I show you how to make the best bird ever? After rinsing our chicken, we coat it with a mixture we made by combining some vegetable oil, lemon juice, chopped fresh rosemary, a bit of garlic powder, and salt and pepper. Here's a little tip. Cook your chicken on a roasting rack. This way it'll cook evenly and allow the fat to drip away. And since we're lighting the oven anyway, we figured we might as well add some chunked up seasonal veggies that we toss with more of the seasoning mixture and roast them off at the same time in the same pan. And once the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees and the juices run clear, it's done. And let me tell you, you won't have to ring the dinner bell twice to let your troops know that dinner is ready, since the whole house will smell amazing. To get the recipe for our lemon rosemary chicken, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a foolproof way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."